What's happening, y'all? Agnes Fabrication and some. Listen, man, down here at the shop, was just cutting out a keyway. Made a little short of it. Now this is gonna be the video. I'm gonna cut it out the rest of the way. Let's see where we're at with it. So far, this is where we're at. Let's put a little air on this here. Following me. Probably gonna have to go lower than that, but maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Let's check it out and see what she looks like here. Okay. Let's see. If I had to take it out of there and follow it out a little bit square. I don't know though. These are kind of rounded, so pretty close here. Maybe if we go that way. Yeah, we can follow that out. And I can open it up some more too with the end mill. Alright, let's set y'all down. It's back here. I think it's better back here. Oh, look at that. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to get this here just a tad bit closer. Look at that. I smacked the other side of it. Here, I went that before. Probably probably gonna have to take it back a little further, but she looking better, fitting in there wise. Definitely gonna have to take it back just a little bit further, and maybe plunge down on it in order to, let me see something. Always make sure you turn your machine off in order to keep safety. Safety is always an issue. Okay, so we're going to make that fit. We're going to have to put that and file it. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for tuning in, man. Atkins Fabrication and some. What's happening, y'all? Hey, listen, man, Pete here. I just wanted to give y'all a little tool time tip, right? So, tools. When you buy tools, I was told a long time ago, you buy them once, it lasts forever. You buy them once cheap. You're buying them 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. Making a tool company rich. Okay? Buy your tools once, buy good tools. However, it's the however part. However, listen, however, if you buy Chinese made tools and they're you know, a little bit out of whack and stuff like that, remember this, man. If you're a machinist, carpenter, whatever your trade is, you know the tools that you got to use and you know what's expected out of those tools. And there ain't no reason why, with the skills that we have, the skills that I have, the skills that you possibly may obtain, we can't make them tools be what they should be or better. Remember that. Just a little tool time tip from Atkins Fabrication. So, listen, I say that to say this. It's a good training when you get them tools to check them out and see where they're at, see what their specs are. Despite what they may say, you still check them out to see what they are and see what they offer and what you're going to get out of them. And see if there's any tweaking that you may need to do to make them better and put them back into spec or make them better than what spec is. Because that's what we do. I can't afford to buy Starrett and Mitutoyo all the time, man. I don't have the pockets for that. And Starrett and Mitutoyo don't ever come and offer me nothing. I see them offer people A-Bomb and Mr. Tom Lipton, all of them. Them guys, they got a name for it, and they're going to help them sell that product. So until you're famous enough to sell that product, they ain't monetizing you. That's for sure. So keep that in mind. You know, if you can't afford tools like Starrett and Mitutoyo and Brown and Sharp and whatever, Lufkin, you know, whatever you're buying, if you can't afford them tools, then you got to make what you can afford work. And you got to make them work to where they're in spec with everybody else's tools, not just your own. Yours can't read 1 inch and everybody else's reads 1 1/4 inches, 1 1/2 inches, 3/4 of an inch. Can't be that way. Yours has got to read the same way as everybody else's does. So, anyway, I say that to say this, man. Whatever tools you order, whatever site you decide to order them from, give your tools a little tender love and care. You love them now, they'll love you later. Remember that. It's a little chilly down here inside the shop, man. It's cold down here tonight. Inside the shop, it ain't that bad outside, but inside the shop with all this steel and all that block wall, it's a little chilly in here, man. So thank y'all, and I appreciate y'all tuning in. And I just wanted to talk to you about that. I got some Allen keys, man, and these Allen keys done twisted all around like now they're designer Allen keys. You know, they're just spinning everywhere. And I came across this Allen key here. I've had this for a little while now. MT Allen keys like this, man. I mean, this thing is super duper, and I think I'm gonna get a set of these for the shop. Right, say a metric, and then I'd like to get me a set of these Allen keys, the L-shaped ones. Look at my lip, man. Look at this, man. I'm gonna show y'all something. Y'all know I just came back from North Carolina. I put it on my channel on here, right? So now we're getting ready to go to Berlin, Maryland, and we come back for 2 or 3 days, and then we leave right back for Greensville, North Carolina, come back, go right to Virginia Beach. I mean, I've been going, bro. I ain't stopped yet. I'm living at work right now, and I've been going, okay? So check this out. Look at the beating the shit out of my, excuse my language, beating the hell out of myself. Look at that. Right there. Right there. I turned around today. I was passing a frame down, and I turned right around into the beam, and it was sitting. When I turned around, I had boom, like literally sat on the bridge of my nose. If I'd have went forward, it would have broke my nose. But I scratched my eye on the frame, busted my lip on the frame. I hit the beam and busted my head and busted the front of my head. Whoo, boy, been kicking my own butt, man. Hey, wow. All in a day. That was in a day, yo. Like, whew. Oh, sorry, though. I'm getting ready to take me a ride to Berlin, Maryland, get some frames put in and relax for the night, man. Anyway, that's Monday. I got the weekend. I'm gonna make me a video or two down here. You know what I mean? But yeah, I just wanted to touch bases with you about that. I said something on here, made a video, and asked some guys, man, if they see some Allen keys that they recommend, to chime in and let me know what they recommend. Nobody chimed in. That's what y'all do. Thank you. I'm out of here, yo. Agates Fabrication, you done some. Y'all have a great one, man. We're going to get one more out before I go down to Greensville, North Carolina. I'll have a couple shorts for you on the trip, man. Y'all be easy. I love y'all, man. if there is nobody else out there. Now, I want y'all to remember this, and I'm going to start saying this at the end of every one of my videos. Listen to me. Yo, if there's nobody else out there that loves you, yo, my name is Peter Atkins. And I may not know you, and I may have never met you a day in my life, bro. But God told me that you're my brother or my sister. And I love you. And if you need some help, contact me at peteratkins77@gmail.com. Adkins with a D, not a T. It's with a D. Contact me, and we'll get you the help you need. Atkins Fabrication and then some. And thanks for tuning in, man. I love y'all. I mean that from the bottom of my heart, man. I love y'all. I'm out.